In today's video, I'm super excited and show you your very own AI-powered avatar using Canva.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you how you can create your very own AI-powered avatar using Canva, and the best part is it's completely free. Whether you want a unique profile picture or a fun character for your projects, Canva's got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, go to canva.com and sign up or log in with your Gmail. After logging in, click on Apps on the left side. Now search on Nero AI. Then click on Nero AI. Now, click Use in New Design and select Video. Here, choose your AI presenter, paste your text, select your language, choose your voice, and click on Create your video. Wait for a moment. Next, click on the video to remove the background. Click on Edit Video, then select Background Remover and wait for the magic to happen. Now that the background is removed, click on Background to change the background color of your video. Choose a color from the panel or use a background from Canva. Then click on Element and type the search bar News Background. Now choose your background. Adjust the avatar.
In today's video, I'm super excited and show you your very own AI-powered avatar using Canva.
Now it's time to download. Click Share, then Download. Thanks for watching. In this video, we showed you how to make a Canva AI avatar for free. This is a great way to create a faceless YouTube channel or to add a talking avatar to your videos. I hope this video was helpful. Please like my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks again for watching.